Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to update Motorola keypad mobile theme. Friends, you want to update, you want to use your new theme in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use theme setting and how to update theme in Motorola keypad mobile one by one and step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile, tap here menu button and select your phone setting. After select guys phone setting, tap here OK button. Profile setting, background note setting, phone setting, display and call setting you want to use, so you can use. So friends, you can see theme setting is not here in Motorola keypad mobile. How to use theme setting, how to update Motorola keypad mobile theme. First of all, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, select your display setting. After select display setting, tap your OK button. Friends, you can select your wallpaper, system wallpaper you can select. If you tap here, your wallpaper will set in your Motorola keypad mobile. Show date and time setting friends, you don't want to use, so you can off your show date and time, and your lock screen date and time will not show. And again you want to on your date and time setting, so you can on your date and time on your screen. Theme setting friends, if you select here theme setting, so friends you can update your theme. There are friends 3 theme, black theme and 2 more theme we have. If you select here done option, so friends you can see your theme will update. You have your green color theme. Friends, you can see black theme will remove and green theme will set in your Motorola keypad mobile. Open your phone setting again. Display setting we will select OK. Theme setting, last theme friends, blue theme you want to use a blue color theme, so you can set your blue color theme in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, now you can see theme will update again in your Motorola keypad mobile. So like that friends, you can update theme in your Motorola keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.